Good greetings everyone, this is Nimra Babar, your instructor for the course of Principles of Marketing. A warm welcome to all of you in this class where we will learn the core fundamentals of marketing, including its processes, tactics and more, enabling you to practice marketing skills in a real-world corporate setting. Today, we will be covering the introduction of marketing by starting with the nature and concept of marketing. So basically, marketing is engaging customers and managing profitable customer relationships. It is simply defined as a process by which companies engage customers, build strong customer relationships, and create customer value to capture value from customers in return. Rather than selling or telling about the product, marketing is more focused on engaging customers by understanding their needs, developing products, setting prices, distributing and promoting the products among the targeted customers. In simple words, marketing is about understanding what people need, creating value for them, and building long-term relationships that benefit both the company and the customer. For example, Coca-Cola has earned an impressive 49% global share of the carbonated beverage market, more than twice Pepsi's share, by fulfilling its Taste the Feeling motto with products that provide a simple pleasure that makes everyday moments more special. Coca-Cola wins in marketing because it sells happiness and experiences, not just soda. Its success comes from emotional branding, global reach, innovative campaigns, and a strong distribution system. From the example of Coca-Cola, it is evident that marketing involves the creation and exchange of value with potential customers by building profitable and valuable, value-oriented relationship with them. While talking about the marketing and society, it is a fact that we are surrounded by marketing, as every other product is still a part of our lives due to marketing, and we are in a continuous relation with products and services due to marketing. Marketing not only affects businesses, but it also reflects how people live, utilize life, and interact with each other. Through imparting cultural awareness, it continuously improves life standards, uplifts the economy, and promotes innovation. For example, Unilever's Lifebuoy hand washing campaign in Pakistan promotes hygiene, not just soap sales. Talking about importance and scope of marketing, it is understood that marketing is important because it creates value, builds relationships, and drives growth. Its scope is wide, that is not just about selling products, but also marketing services, ideas, and even places. For example, Daraz brought online shopping culture to Pakistan. Emirates built strong customer relationships through Skyward's frequent flyer program, polio awareness campaign Sports Society, Moblink, and Telenor competes through innovative packages to enhance competitiveness. Coming towards the marketing process, if I simplify the marketing process into its individual steps, then it is noteworthy that the whole marketing process is comprised of 5 steps, beginning from understanding the marketplace and customer needs and wants. Once it is understood, then comes the next step of designing a customer value-driven market strategy. The designing of the market strategy is followed by constructing an integrated marketing program to deliver superior value. The 4th step involves engaging customers, building profitable relationships, and creating customer delight. And the 5th step, the last step, a marketer becomes able to capture value from customers by creating profits, maximizing sales, and developing customer equity. Among these 5 steps, the very first step, understanding the marketplace and customer needs, holds the key significance, as without understanding these terms, we will not be able to cater to the needs of the marketing. Heading towards the topic, first of all, we need to have a look at the difference between needs, wants, and demands. Needs are the entities without which our existence is incomplete, for example, food, clothing, shelter, education, and health services. When these human needs are coupled with individual personalities and cultural norms, they become wants. Wants are designed and shaped by society, requiring objects to satisfy initial needs. Examples include preferring fast food instead of desi food in urban areas as compared to the rural ones, or opting for personal transportation to protect privacy rather than public transport while hanging out with family. Wants backed with buying power are known as demands. People tend to display their wants and resources to fulfill their demands as they are valuable and satisfactory to them. For example, opting for your favorite brand, whether it's a clothing brand or a food brand, depending on your affordability, determines the width of your demands. Closing this concept into a nutshell, a Pakistani middle class family needs foods, clothes and shelter. It wants branded clothes, fast food and a car. However, what it can actually afford depends on its budget, such as either buying a Suzuki Mehran instead of a Honda Civic. As we have seen, as a customer, we can look for in the market for our needs, wants and demands. Now it is the time to see the other side of the picture, to understand what a market could offer us, that commonly referred to as market offerings. Market offerings are broadly classified into three categories: product, services and experiences. Products are any tangible items that a customer can touch and own. For example, a mobile phone, a soda bottle or a uniform. Services are the activities or intangible benefits that do not result in ownership, for example banking, coaching or healthcare services. Lastly, it comes to experiences that are combination of both product and service. For example, taking a flight from Emirates to make the journey safe and reliable leaves a lifetime experience for its traveler. Simply, we can say a market offering is anything a company provides, a product, service or experience to satisfy a need or want. It is more than just the product, it is the value delivered to the customers. After grabbing the concepts of customers' needs, wants and demands and what the market has to offer in return, we will now be looking at the concept of customer value and satisfaction. Customer value is the balance between benefits and cost, which simply refers to the comparison between what one pays and what one gets in return. Customer satisfaction depends on how well the product meets expectations. Customer satisfaction is generated by setting the right level of expectation, as setting too low expectations against the product would not grab much market share, as very few people will find it attractive, while setting too high expectations might lead customers towards disappointment. For example, if you buy a laptop possessing updated and latest features at a good price and it works great, you will feel satisfied and loyal to that brand. From the discussion till now, it has become clear that marketing is a two-way process that involves exchanges and relationships. What does it mean? Simply, it involves both the seller and the buyer to be on the same page so that they can enjoy long-term, happy and loyal coexistence with each other. So altogether, this phrase indicates marketing as a process where the customer gives money and in return the business offers desired products or services, but it doesn't stop here. As in quest to maintain this exchange of value, companies have to focus on building long-term and sustainable relationships with their customers so that the customer can make continuous visit to them to fulfill their needs, wants or demands. This healthy relationship is mainly maintained through providing good customer services, ample discounts, loyalty reward programs and improved product features and quality. For example, Daraz builds long-term relationships with customers by offering sales and discounts, safe delivery and trustworthy return policies. Similarly, airline industry is famous for its loyalty reward programs for frequent flyers of airlines in the form of free tickets, seat and baggage upgradation hassle and hassle-free check-in accommodations. This determines how a company can work to promote its marketing strategy by providing more and as per and even more than the expectation of its customer, by keeping in mind the goal to reach to the maximum audience. This is how marketing works. In today's lecture, in today's topic, what we have discussed is what marketing is, what are the core processes of marketing, including the 5 processes, and after that, what is the target of marketing and how do we achieve that target with the help of increased value, profitable relationship with customers, and long-term brand loyalty.